Hi everybody, we're in Murfreesboro and I'm super excited, and we're at the Wilderness Station, and we're at Barfield Crescent Park, and we're going to go on the Marshall Knob Trail. I cannot wait to see all the cool things that we're going to see. I have heard that there are a lot of really good wildflowers here. I know there's a body of water here. I'm super excited and I can't wait to share it with you. And so here we go. All right, we're going down this really cool trail next to our body of water. It's really pretty and green, and all of the wildflowers are everywhere. Very cool body of water on this trail. Look at that little waterfall. Little tiny waterfall. What a beautiful day to be on the trail. Very exciting. Love it. Love it so much. I don't know if you can hear the water, but this will be a perfect spot in the summer just to come walk on these rocks. Let me show you the rocks. See, it's very flat. This will be covered in water when the water levels up, and you can just wade in it. It's just super cool. So much amazing moss and things along the trail. This is just on the trail. Wildflowers and moss and these rock outcroppings. It's just amazing. So excited. Such a fantastic field of bluebells today. Look at all those bluebells. That is amazing. It's just blue, 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 blue everywhere. Look at these. They're dropping down. Looking cool. They have big leaves. I didn't realize they had such big leaves. That is amazing. But they're like such tiny flowers. Look at them just being bells. Oh, wind's blowing. Okay, y'all, this is like a geology extravaganza here. This is the actual trail. But look, to the left of the trail is all this stone. It goes really high. Goes down. And you come down, 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 down to our body of water down at the bottom of the hill, which is really cool and pretty. And this is the actual trail that we can walk on. I'm being super careful because, as I just mentioned, it is the actual trail. How cool is this? It's like a little fairy tale land. Very excited to be walking on this. Very cool. And it goes down and then it'll go back up. There goes the trail. All right, I gotta sniff the wood. Somebody's cut this tree, but it smells good. You gotta smell this. Oh, cedar. It's all red and stuff. Oh, it smells good. This looks like a complete fairy tale land here. This is wild. There's all kinds of butterflies and all kinds of cool creatures. See if I can get up this hill without hurting myself. Oh, look at all these cool roots. It's like a stairway to nature. It's very cool. Look at me, surviving in the woods, going uphill in a rocky and rooty spot. This trail is full of surprises. Check this out. This is amazing. I love it so much. Look at that. Oh, we just came down this trail. Look at all that green. And these great rocks to step up on. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I had to go down here just so we could see how deep this is. Geology. It's still coming. Come on. I can see this. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's just a huge crack both. Oh wow. Wow. Don't slide. That's a big crack. Okay, this flower is so cool. Look at the top. Look at the top. It's blowing in the wind. Oh, it's tiny Lord of the Rings. So magical. This is a part of the trail. Okay, guys, that was so amazing. We got to see some water, some wildflowers, just all kinds of dogs, lots of dogs. So if you like dogs, this is definitely the place to be. I brought one of my partners with me today and we had a blast. We saw a lot of strange ravines and rock outcroppings and moss and just all kinds of wonderful things. And I am so excited that we were here on the Marshall Knob Trail, and I can't wait for you to enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day at my favorite taco shop, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye.